Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to our yoga studio today. Please leave your shoes in the lobby area. You can borrow a clean mat from the rack by the wall. Please keep your mobile phone turned off during the class. Try to arrive at least 10 minutes before we start. If you need extra help with a pose, just raise your hand and the teacher will come over to assist you. After the session ends, please wipe your mat down with the spray provided in the front corner of the room.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me. Please think back to the last time you downloaded or played a new online game or app that you found particularly engaging, perhaps a puzzle game, a social media app, or an educational tool. What was the experience like when you first started using it, and why did it capture your attention? People have very different routines regarding mobile apps. Some check their apps constantly throughout the day to stay updated, while others prefer to use them only at specific times. How do you usually manage your time with games and apps during your daily routine, and why do you think you have that habit? Now I'd like your opinion on a common debate. Some people believe that online games and apps are a waste of time, while others feel they are a valuable way to relax and learn new skills. What is your personal perspective on this, and why do you feel that way? One last question. Do you think schools or workplaces should limit the use of certain types of games and apps during working or study hours? For example, should they block access to social media or gaming platforms to help people focus better? Why or why not?